I've exported this entire Sales Navigator contact list and turned it into a spreadsheet with everybody's first name, last name, job title, company name, and found over 70% of their work emails in just one click and using only one tool. So on this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that as well. It's super simple. Just go to scalelist.com and create yourself a trial account. This is the most reliable B2B emails and mobile number finder out in the market. So once you got your trial account installed, you'll also need to install the Chrome extension. So when you go to the Chrome web store, just search for Scalelist. You're going to find the application here. Click on Add to Chrome here. So this works obviously on Google Chrome. Click on Add to Extension. Then just go to Sales Navigator, refresh your page, and you're going to see an Export Leads button that has just appeared here. Now, if I click on Export Leads, it's going to export my entire search. Currently, I have CTOs based in Boston in companies of between 11 to 50. I found 199 results, but it can export up to 2,500 results per export. So let me click on Export Leads. It's going to open up a new Scalelist page. Obviously, again, you have to have an account first. So here, the confirmation page will tell me how many leads I have in my search. The source URL, I can name it. So CTO Boston. Okay. Here, if I want to extract the contact list without the email addresses, I can just keep the toggle on because then it's going to export it faster. But since I want the email addresses, I'm going to toggle it off. And it tells me that the cost is just 1 credit per lead exported and no extra charge for emails found. So any email found will be included in that credit. Now just click on Export 199 leads. It will tell you how long it's going to take. I'm obviously going to pause the video while it's working in the background, and I'll come back to it when it's done. And here you go. After only 7 minutes, it exported all of the 199 contacts. It found a total of 142 emails, out of which 129 were deemed as valid. So it verified the emails as well. Valid emails are emails that are safe to use. Risky emails are emails that were found, but the app is not sure whether they actually work or not. So it's up to you to find. In any case, email finding and verification was included in that 1 credit for each lead that was exported. So now I've got my list. I can export it to my CSV. I can push it to my CRM if I'm connected to any CRM. But what I want to do is just to see the final file. I just click on Export CSV or leads, valid emails only, or the ones I've selected. I can also export it in XLS, obviously. And I'm going to show you how the final file looks like. And that's it. Just like at the start of the video, this is my entire file that I've just exported in a few clicks. Just took me a few minutes. I can do that over and over again to build up my contact list with everybody's email and other details from LinkedIn. Now, if you're looking to export unlimited leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator and find also their email addresses and phone numbers, this video here is exactly made for you. So over to you and happy scaling.